Where?
At the organic place.
So windy, babe.
I don't know.
You want to go check out that trail?
Sure. You said you have sunscreen in here?
Yeah.
I need to put some more on my nose and my face.
That place looks like it's closed.
Yeah. I guess I better get out my...
Guess what?
this.
It's on channel, you said?
No. So go on Ray.
Make a left?
Yeah, make a left on Ray.
Oh, shit!
Shit!
Oh my god. Call 911. Call 911.
Okay. Go. Get out.
No. Hold on, we gotta make sure they're okay.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
You need to
shit.
get out and go. You're in an EMT. Go.
Hold on.
Go.
Oh, wait.
I'm calling 911. Hi, I'm on Ray Road and 150th Street, and we had we just watched somebody flip their car into the stoplight. Yeah, like it hit a car and then rolled over and flipped into the stoplight. 50th Street and Ray. And it looks like, I don't know if but I've got an EMT here, but he doesn't have any of his stuff with him. The one he hit is a Chevy. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It's a silver Chevy. And then the one, oh, we've got several people calling in now. The one that he's in